Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add photos to Amazon Photos. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon Photos app. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, log in using your Amazon account. After logging in, you'll see the main screen. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on Settings in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, look for Upload Photos Manually and tap on it. From here, you can select the photos you want to upload from your device. Once you've selected the photos, tap Upload, and the uploading process will begin. You can go back and wait for a bit until the upload finishes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.